I'm going to fry fillet of fish, which is a blue fish. I asked the guy to cut it like a fillet and take out all the bones. So he cut it that way. This is the ingredient I will ground this one, onion, garlic and ginger. Just this, for that enough. This fish is enough for this kind of ingredient. So here's the chili powder, salt, cumin seed. This is a whole dry coriander. This is a carom seed, also called in Urdu Ajowan. It's called suka dhania. This one, which is a coriander, whole coriander. This is a safed zira, which called this common seed is a safed zira, very famous and popular in Indian Asian cooking. Salt is Namak, called Namak. This is a red chili powder, is a Surakh Mirch or Laal Mirch. So these are the ingredients actually. This is an onion, which is called Pyaz, and ginger called Adrak, and this garlic called Lehsan or Thome. Thome in Punjabi and Lehsan in Urdu or Hindi, whatever. So fish is a Machhli in Urdu, or Punjabi called Machhi. So these are the stuff here. I'm going to ground this one, add that after that, this stuff, and then I will apply on top of it.